Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Many of my Instagram followers suggested that I should give voiceover to my older videos. So here I am with one of my recipe and I'm giving my voice here. This is Niramish Labra, one of the recipe that is cooked on Lokkhi Puja. So today is Lokkhi Puja. Let us see how we make it. For Labra we need lots of veggies. I have taken here cauliflower, brinjal, broad beans, pumpkin, bottle gourd, cabbage, raw banana, green chilies, potatoes, sweet potatoes, papaya. You can take any seasonal vegetables. Actually, there is no hard and fast rule. I've taken some radish also. Now we'll take a kadhai and we'll add oil, around 50 ml of mustard oil. This has to be cooked in mustard oil. Now we'll heat the oil nicely and we're going to fry brinjal and raw banana first. We'll not mix brinjal with the veggies because it will get melted. So we'll fry it first nicely, make it brown but will not burn it, and you'll get that nice aroma. When you're frying this, please add a pinch of salt to it. The vegetables will absorb the salt and it will make it more tasty. So we'll take out the brinjals and next I'm going to fry the raw banana pieces. I've taken here around 2 bananas. This is for 4 to 5 serve. You can reduce or increase the quantity as per your requirement. So here I have nicely fried the bananas and I'll keep it aside. Again, when you're frying the bananas, also add a pinch of salt or a bit of salt as per your taste. Now let's start labra. We'll add bay leaves. Around 2 bay leaves I've taken here. 2 to 4, and then 4 red chilies. This will give a nice aroma to the labra, and we use panch foron. Now this is Bengali panch foron. I'll add in the description what are the ingredients that we make panch foron. Okay, then I'm adding green chili and ginger paste and we'll nicely fry it till the raw smell of ginger is completely gone. We'll fry it. This entire cooking has to be done on medium heat. Do not hurry. It's a very delicious, delectable dish. So please cook it with time. Now we'll start adding vegetables depending on their cooking time. So those vegetables that take more time, we'll add it first, like potato and pumpkin. These are a little hard and take more time. So we'll add first potato and pumpkin together and we'll cook it for like 5 to 6 minutes. Cover it on medium heat, cook it. Let the vegetables be cooked in their own juice, in their own water. Stir it nicely. After they are cooked, then again add some more vegetables like potol we call in Bengali, bottle gourd, then broad beans, cauliflower, sweet potatoes, radish. I've also added some French beans. So add everything and then again saute it. Cook in medium heat. Do not add water. Now you don't need water here because the vegetables will release their own water. Every vegetable has moisture. It will release its moisture and just let the vegetables cook in its own juice, in its own moisture. Stir it nicely, mix it with the ginger and chili paste. Then again cover it. Cover it and then let it cook. Stir it nicely. Here it is. Let me cover it now. And we'll cook it for around 10 to 12 minutes or how much ever time it takes. You can see it. You will understand that the vegetables are nearly cooked. Okay, keep stirring in the middle because the vegetable should not be burned. After they're fried nicely, then add raw papaya and cabbage. Cabbage doesn't take much time to cook. That's why I'm adding it at the last. If you're adding some shak like pui shak or lal shak, that also you'll add at the last only. Okay. Yeah. So again mix it well. It's the same process. Add vegetables, mix it, cover and let it cook. Again add vegetables, mix it, cook. So it's the same thing. Once the vegetables are nicely fried or around 80% fried, then we'll add the masalas. We'll add turmeric powder. We'll add coriander powder, we'll add salt to taste and then mix all the masalas, all the herbs, spices nicely with the vegetables and again let it cook. Okay, let it further cook. And then I'm adding here grated coconut, around half a cup. If you wish, you can use fresh coconut as well. Grate it nicely and then add it to the labra. Now mix all the ingredients, all the vegetables, spices, coconut, everything nicely, and then again cover it and let it cook. It's a very simple dish. It's just that you have to follow the steps. At last we will be adding tomatoes and green chili. Do not add tomato in the beginning because it will stop the vegetables from cooking. Okay, we add it at the last. So you can slice some tomatoes and you can add it as per your quantity. Now let it cook. Again, it will release some more juice. And then when the vegetables are nicely cooked and almost ready, you can say 90% cooked, we will add the fried brinjal and raw banana to it, and we'll add sugar. Sugar we always add in any Bengali dish, and salt as per your taste. The sugar will allow to enhance the taste of labra. We must add a bit of sugar. If you have diabetes people at home, you can use sugar substitute also. Then we're going to add bhaja moshla, lots of it. I'll put in the description what are the ingredients of bhaja moshla. It's a must add ingredient for labra. Okay, this enhances the taste and this will give the authentic taste of labra. So here we are finally giving it a stir, and then I'm going to simmer it for another 5 minutes. Now once it is simmered nicely, I'm going to finish this dish by adding a dash of ghee. I mix it well one more time, and then I'm going to top it up with ghee. Lots of, I'm giving here around 2 tablespoons. You can add more if you want. This will give a nice glazy look and it will also enhance the taste of labra. Some people use coriander also on it, but I avoid it because that will overpower the smell of bhaja moshla, the fried spices. So that should be the ultimate taste. Now here our labra is ready. Serve this with Bhoger khichdi, and this is a must try dish on Lokkhi Pujo. Please try this dish and let me know how you liked it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.